Gutters must slope toward downspouts to prevent standing water and protect roof edges and foundations. Aim for a slope between 1/16 inch and 1/8 inch per foot toward each downspout and measure with a level and a tape to verify consistency. Start at the high point at the fascia and set hangers at regular intervals using a string line to maintain a steady fall that avoids sags where debris will collect. Place downspouts every 20 to 40 feet based on roof area and expected rainfall intensity so each downspout handles the designed flow without overflow. When calculating spacing factor in roof pitch and gutter capacity tables or manufacturer's recommendations and round conservatively for heavy storms, use a slightly steeper pitch on longer runs to overcome debris buildup and thermal expansion that can create dips over time. For retrofit projects, loosen hangers, adjust the slope, and resecure rather than replacing the whole run unless more than one hanger per foot is failing. Common mistakes are relying on siding alone, which creates uneven slope and leads to puddles. Fix this by using a level and string and checking every few feet. Another issue is spacing downspouts too far apart, which overwhelms gutters during storms. Remedy that by adding additional downspouts or installing larger downspout diameters and calculating roof runoff to choose spacing. People also neglect outlet elevation and exit flow, so water pools at the base of the downspout. Solve this by placing splash blocks or adding extension piping to carry water at least 6 to 10 feet away from the foundation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors focused on exterior drainage and gutter work and helps contractors find project leads relevant to their skills and service area. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask installation questions, and share photos of common slope and downspout setups.